Hello everyone, welcome back. Getting that frustrated payment declined or try a different payment method error on Temu? Well, you're not alone, it's a common issue, especially with gift cards or new debit cards. Guys, first double check your card info, open the Temu app or go to the Temu website, head to checkout and ensure your card's number, expiration date, CVV and billing address are spot on. Typos are a killer. Reddit users say Visa cards often get declined, even with enough funds. If you're using one, confirm it's activated by calling the number on the card. I had a $50 gift card fail until I matched the billing zip code exactly. Step 2. Switch it up. Temu accepts Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Klarna, but gift cards are some debit cards can trigger declines. If your card's failing, try PayPal, it's more reliable, though Expost notes PayPal can hang on waiting verification. You can also buy a Temu gift card as a workaround. So guys, that's pretty much it. The other thing you can try is, of course, contacting their support. It's 24/7. And in general, that's how you fix it. Order placed. Drop your fix below. Like and subscribe for more shipping hacks. See you next time.